This car right here is my Land Rover Series 3 from 1980. We've now fully refurbished it right to its original form, and that has been a 3-year journey. So we're going to take you on a few moments of that journey. All the interior now. As we go along, we're just painting it by hand, actually, the interior. The reason why I love this Land Rover so much isn't because it's so practical, and it isn't because it gets stolen wherever you go, and isn't because it breaks down, most drivers take it on, but it's because you have to nurture it. For me, it's like a child. I have to look after it, and it really does take a lot of love and care, and when I drive it, it's the only car that I get which really puts a smile on my face every time I drive it. And I don't care what people say about not being able to do the job. It doesn't really do the job. It doesn't have a job anymore. This will nowhere near compete with the Toyota Land Cruiser, but it's about the enjoyment that I get when I drive it, and that is why I love this Land Rover.